Now, it was in fact a mess as Messi was there in Kolkata. Let's take a look at what exactly happened. Now, the Messi event in Kolkata descended into chaos after fans said that they couldn't get a proper glimpse of the legend. This led to angry fans setting chairs ablaze. Angry fans were also seen throwing bottles at the stadium, forcing police to disperse them from the middle of the ground. After what the fans called was major disappointment after not being able to catch a glimpse of Messi, we also see a fan who was seen destroying a console with a stick in anger. And the anger grew to such a point that some fans were seen overturning a canopy at the stadium ground. What was meant to be a historic Lionel Messi moment in India ended in chaos as fans inside the stadium were furious, alleging massive mismanagement. Now, Messi has already left the venue. He's on the way to Hyderabad. Several fans said that they couldn't get a proper glimpse of the football icon, and in anger as it spilled over, barricades were breached, bottles were thrown on the ground. The security had to quickly cordon off Messi, cutting short his planned stadium lap as well. Now, fans on the ground called the event an absolute disgrace. Some even termed it a scam, saying that expectations were completely shattered. The police have now confirmed that the organizer of the event, Satradu Datta, has been arrested. Listen into what the police had to say.
सवेरे जो इनसे तीन चीज है, नॉर्मलसी अभी टोटली है, ठीक है, जिनको जो नॉर्मलसी की बात थी सब हो गया है। सेकंड पार्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, एफआईआर इज बीन लॉन्च, और जो चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजर है ही हैज बीन अरेस्टेड, ठीक है। इन द मीन टाइम नो ही इज बीन अरेस्टेड, एंड द थर्ड पार्ट एज आई एम टेलिंग कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इंक्वायरी कमेटी की जाएगी और इंक्वायरी यस ही इज बीन अरेस्टेड, ठीक है। No. Again, I'm telling you, they are promising that they will return. We'll see how it can be done. Arrested.
Now, my colleague Ritik Mandal, in fact, sent us these reports when the chaos erupted inside the stadium. Take a look.
Let me show you what is exactly happening inside the Yuva Bharati Stadium. As you can see that the spectators have burst out, the entire barricades, and they have entered the stadium. Soon after Messi was taken out, we can see the spectators over here. Radha, कहाँ से आए थे?
हम लोग आया न्यू टाउन कल
क्या आ रहे थे? मेसी को देख पाए थे?
नहीं।
क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? कौन जिम्मेवार है?
हम लोग 4,000-5,000 टीम बोल के यही देखने आए। हम लोग बोलिए यही देखने आया। आज कलकत्ता का हालत देखिए क्या हो रहा है, किस लिए हो रहा है? मेसी को नहीं देखा है पुलिस ने, इसलिए हुआ है। अगर मेसी को देखता तो ये हालत नहीं होता।
We can see that people are throwing bottles. There are spectators and
কলকাতার লোক ভদ্র, মেসি চলে যাওয়ার প্রতিবাদ করেছে।
What is the reason you are angry for?
এটা চূড়ান্ত অবস্থা, এটা স্ক্যাম হয়েছে, स्कैम।
जिम्मेवार है इसके लिए?
जो कमेटी है
जिम्मेदार है, ठीक है। वो लोग
मैनेजमेंट जिम्मेदार है।
स्कैम किया,
पूरा महीना का सैलरी देके इधर आया, उसका बाल भी नहीं देख पाया मेसी का। नेता
कितने पैसे देके टिकट खरीदे थे?
5,000 रुपया का
5,000 रुपए का। कहाँ से आए?
दमदम
दमदम से आए। 5,000। These are the situation, but we can see that they are angry.
बच्चा लेके आए हैं।
We can see that the absolute chaos and law and order situation deteriorated inside the stadium. We can see that RAF has been brought in. RAF has been called in. Commissioner of Police has arrived over here. We can see Mukesh Kumar, Commissioner of Police has been brought in as the entire, people, they have barged the barricades and they, came inside the stadium. Let me tell you what exactly happened, how it's unfolded. Soon, Messi came in into this thing, and then they are throwing this thing. They are throwing bottles at police. They are throwing things to police. This is absolutely lawlessness situation inside Yuva Bharati Stadium. Police has brought in. This is Ritik for NDTV. Chaos at Yuva Bharati Stadium due to the mismanagement. The Lionel Messi had to, taken out of the Yuva Bharati Stadium. Now I can show you that the total vandalism, it went on. Now that the spectators have gathered over here, they are barging the barricades and they are entering the stadium. They even throw, several bottles. The situation went out of hand as people gathered over here. They, totally gathered and surrounded Messi, and now we can see that people, large section of spectators, they have gathered over here, and now they are went on ruckusing and vandalizing the entire thing. This is Ritik for NDTV from Kolkata.
Now, politics quickly erupted over the mess of an event in Kolkata. While the Chief Minister has apologized to footballer Lionel Messi and his fans, she's also formed a 3-member investigation panel declaring that she will fix responsibility. The TMC, though, is gunning for the organizers of the event. The main event organizer has also been arrested. TMC leader Kunal Ghosh has called the organizers incompetent, blaming them for lack of planning. The Bengal sports minister also drew flack after pictures of him posing and smiling with Messi went viral. One of the reasons why fans are angry is that Messi was surrounded by VIPs. The entire incident has provided ammunition to the BJP as well. The party is demanding the resignation of the state sports minister. The BJP also says that the entire event is a disgrace to Kolkata. Listen in to these reactions.
Bengal is shocked. India is aghast. The sports world is benumbed, seeing the pell-mell that took place in Salt Lake Stadium today. The visit of the football icon Messi has been used by the organizers for self-seeking monetary benefit for them. Football has been made into a commodity for the private gains of certain people. Who is responsible for this pell-mell? Will the organizer please raise his hand? And secondly, where were the police? Yesterday, I had anticipated certain things here based on certain information which was received from the common man who called me. Then, instructions were given to government to take certain preventive steps. None of the steps seem to have been taken in this respect.
Full uncultured behavior. जो ये किया, उसका नतीजा जो फुटबॉल फैंस को जो इमोशन था, उसका आउटबर्स्ट हो गया. इसीलिए वो पानी का बोतल से शुरू होकर कुछ अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हो गया. ये जो सेंटिमेंट है फुटबॉल फैंस का, मैं एज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहन बागान क्लब उसको सपोर्ट करता हूं. ये सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम जो है वो डैमेज हो रहा है और इसके बारे में अभी भालचर पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ भालचर कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये शुरू कर दिया है.
देखिए, इतना बड़ा एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर भारत के अलग अलग हिस्से में जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. पश्चिम बंगाल में आज जो घटना घटी वो दर्शाता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने कैसे पश्चिम बंगाल को बना दिया है. क्योंकि पूरा जो प्रोग्राम है इसमें शुरू से लेकर अंत तक पश्चिम बंगाल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है वो पूरा तृणमूल ने हाईजैक किया है. तृणमूल के सुजीत बोस से लेकर अरूप विश्वास से लेकर सारे मंत्री इसमें लगे हुए हैं. पैसे की इसमें लूट हुई है. 5,000 8,000 रुपये की टिकट भी बेची गई, उसमें टिकट की भी कालाबाजारी हुआ, इसमें करप्शन हुआ।
The politics, of course, continuing as after the vandalism has taken place. What we know so far is that the organizer has been arrested. Remember, now Messi is heading to Hyderabad, and now it remains to be seen how the event is organized there. We'll bring you more on that. First, a short break.